Cigarette butts are a huge problem across the state, but now some action is being taken to put them to good use. 23 ABC's Mark Christian explains how what some people throw away will now be converted into energy.
Cigarette butts just lying along the freeway.
I think that's horrible, just throwing out your cigarette butts like that.
Or in trash cans could now be put to good use.
You would never think it, but I think it's a great idea.
Butts just like these are now going to be recycled to create energy.
Those little quirky things are what's going to kind of drive us into the future of what we do with all of our trash.
The California Department of Transportation has partnered with a private company to install special cigarette butt disposals at rest areas across the state.
Well, these will keep litter off the roadway. Litter is a serious problem. It costs Caltrans millions of dollars to pick up litter, and cigarette butts are part of it.
And right now there are literally thousands and thousands of cigarette butts littered along California highways just like this. And people we spoke to say it's an idea whose time has come, and hopefully it'll encourage others to dispose of these in the right place.
To not throw cigarette butts on the road or, pollute the environment. So, keep California clean and get energy independence. Hey, I'm all for it.
Caltrans will collect the cigarette butts from the boxes and then take them to a plant in Los Angeles where they'll be burned to generate electricity.
So what we plan on collecting this year, hopefully 5-6 million cigarette butts, and it'll be in the hundreds of pounds range. And at the end of the season, I'll give Caltrans a statement saying how much electricity we put back on the grid instead of throwing it away in a landfill.
Mark Christian, 23 ABC.
There are 4 new holes at the top